Hey, welcome back, scrappers. Hope everyone's doing good. Today I thought I'd go over a few things, cleaning up some of these kind of hard to items. The big monitor is not working, so let me flip that thing over so I can see. Hopefully stay in the shot. Get these wing nuts out of here and sometimes these stainless steel sinks, we get them and they're pretty clean stainless. Other time we get them and they got a bunch of stuff added on. I probably should have put some WD-40 on this thing. Yeah, I might do that. Sometimes that WD on there, that makes all the difference in the world. Yeah, that was going pretty easy. So mainly, I got the pieces here out earlier. Yeah, plastic. There was a time when just about anything that had to do with plumbing had brass. Brass faucets, brass drains. And then comes along the age of plastic. Plastic and aluminum. Our piece that went in on the drain, or they hit it on the grinder. Well, actually looking at this, I can kind of see a faint, I don't know if you can see it, just a real faint copper color, but you can definitely see it here. I don't know if you can, light's picking that up or not, but you got a little bit of copper color around there. So I don't know if this thing was just kind of like dipped in copper, kind of like they would, do a chrome. But yeah, it's just flaked on. And then we got our big nuts that go on there, and of course any more I ground on that aluminum. So they've found a way to get away from the higher dollar brass and gone to plastic and aluminum. I'm going to squirt this and see. It's not really darkening up. Yeah, maybe a little bit. That could be die cast. So in this thing, got the wing nuts off, the other pieces. Now we have this magnet does not stick to that, but it does stick to the bolts. So we got to remove the bolts. So I'm going to try vice grips. If you look on there, they were just kind of, looks like spot welded. So you should be able to just get on with a good grip. Channel locks might work. I actually think I had that set tighter than what I really needed. Get those out of the way. Now, we got this, I don't know if this is used for insulation or soundproofing or what, but I don't know why you soundproof the bottom of the sink, what kind of noise comes from the bottom of your sink? Maybe I shouldn't ask that question. I don't really want to know. Okay, I haven't tried this yet, but I've got this Harbor Freight flap disc, 60 grit, which I've used it some, so it's already wore down some. So a new disc could work even better. And I've never, like I said, I've never tried this before, but thought I'd give it a shot. So if you're listening, watching this with headphones in, either turn your volume down or pull your headphones out. It's going to get loud. Are you ready? Well, took a minute. First thing, before you go through all that work, check with your yard. They may not dock you. Stainless steel doesn't usually bring a real good price anyway. It's about the same price as aluminum. Flap disc does get it off if you have the time and if you have to. Take a little electric, but check with your yard. Like I say, they may go ahead and take it like it is. Or they give you dirty stainless. But since I've gone this far with it, I'll go ahead and do the other one, but I'll probably go ahead and do it off camera. Now I got another one here. It's got that coating on it too, but not real heavy. And then we got, as you can see, well, magnet sticking to this one. So this one can just go right into the shred pile. But, a lot of times you get them with these on there, you can probably take a cold chisel and a hammer, or if you have an air chisel, take an air chisel to it, and like I say again, it's probably spot welded. So I was thinking all this time that was stainless. I never really checked it with a magnet. Just looking at it, I assumed. And this is what I really wanted to test. How many get nice stainless steel dishwashers with this black, wherever that is. Black foam, like in this one. Black foam and stuff all over it. Well, I went down, got on Amazon, got me a 3-inch chisel. I don't know if I put that in the Amazon affiliate page yet or not, but I'll check here in a little bit, and if it's not in there, I'll get it in there, because this is what I wanted to try it for. So again, you got your earplugs in, turn your volume down. I may need to change the angle of the working where I have a blunt edge. If I can get in here on this edge right there. I know with the 1-inch chisel it gets pretty violent. 1-inch chisel just takes a while, being you can only do 1 inch at a time. Thought about getting a wide chisel bit for the rotary hammer, but I thought, man, that thing's heavy as it is. I could probably turn the air pressure down on the regulator. It might make it a little easier. See, it seems to be working pretty good. So I hope you guys are enjoying this tip. So like I said, this is the first time I've done it. I've had it in the back of my mind for quite some time to try it. So I thought I'd go ahead and try it. I will get that, if the chisel's not, if I haven't already put that chisel on there, I will put it on the Amazon affiliate page. In the description, link to the Amazon page will be in the description, video description below. So yeah, I cleaned it up pretty good. I know the yard, I don't know, some yards might take that on there, but a lot of them probably won't. Doesn't really seem to weigh a whole lot. I guess a lot of it depends on their buyers too, so what will their buyers take? And again, it takes a few minutes, but you stop and think, maybe 40 cents a pound for clean and what, 10-15 cents a pound for dirty. Yeah, that's the only problem with running the air chisel. Causes air compressor to kick on. While it was building up, I took this in on the bench grinder. Change the angle a little bit on one side of it. is a little hard to get into a few places. Of course, this thing just got all kinds of contours to it. So. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got a little spot right there. Maybe a little spot right there. Went pretty quick though, really. Okay, I'll do this tub here off camera, and then I'll spend a week picking up all the pieces off the floor. They made pretty quick work of it. Not too bad, I don't think. So, yeah, like I was saying, I'll put that chisel on the Amazon affiliate page. So if you'd like to get one, you can. I think the way that affiliate page works is if you click on the link and buy something within, say, 24 hours, then I get a little bit of money for advertising. I'll try to stop making so much noise here. I got my 100 cutting discs in today. Now, like I say, that flat disc, I'm sure they probably have those on Amazon, but that one there, I got at Harbor Freight. They had them on sale, I think, for $1 a piece, something like that, so I picked up some. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Share it on groups, whatever, forums. And if you're not a subscriber, I'd appreciate it if you would, but if you're not really sure, go ahead and take a look around the channel. Take a look at the playlist, see what kind of different stuff I do. I need to get around to do another melting video soon. I got a lot of people that like those melting videos, and it's been a while since I put one out. I need to get caught up and make me a better, well, last time I used a 5-gallon bucket for the molten aluminum to drip into. I need to get something maybe a little bit bigger round and taller, so that that aluminum has more time to cool before it hits the bottom or before it hits the pile of aluminum that's in there. So I'm going to call it quits on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to finish cleaning up this sink, get it ready to sell. I got a barrel of stainless out there. I got a dishwasher tub out there that's got some other stainless in it too, so I got a little bit of stainless ready to go. I need to take a look at how many barrels of aluminum I've got ready, but I've been trying to get around to getting some aluminum cleaned up, but then I think, well, aluminum 40 cents a pound, copper 3 something a pound, you know, what should I really work on, you know, because I got a lot of copper to get processed too. And then I got a lot of appliances I need to get out of the way. So, got about 3 months to get it done. Maybe 4, because March I don't really get a whole lot of calls. I don't bring a lot in, but I can't. I could get a big job. You never know. I'm still trying to finish up the one big job, and I got one more load to get off this other job. So I'm going to get this done, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.